As a cancer physician, I see two types of patients. Those who bundle up in bed, trying to conserve energy even when they are feeling okay, and those who can't wait to move, walking around the ward or doing light exercises. Guess which group manages their symptoms better, tolerates treatment more effectively, and avoids losing a lot of muscle mass? It's the ones who stay active. It sounds counterintuitive, but gentle movement actually helps combat the tiredness that cancer treatment causes. Exercise triggers feel-good hormones, improving both your mental health and your ability to rest. Staying active helps you maintain strength and avoid the physical decline that often comes with being sedentary. Research even suggests that physical activity might lower the chance of cancer returning after treatment. You don't have to run a marathon. Here's how to get started. Begin with small walks around your home or hospital ward. Even 5 to 10 minutes counts. Gentle stretching can improve flexibility and help with stiffness. If you're ready to do more, aim for 150 minutes of aerobic activity per week. Think of it as 20 to 30 minutes a day, broken into smaller chunks if needed. Light weights or resistance bands are great for preserving muscle. Make sure to have rest days in between. Simple stretches or balance work can improve mobility and reduce fall risks. Listen to your body. Your energy levels may fluctuate during treatment, and that's okay. On good days, go for more activity, but don't overdo it. On tough days, keep it gentle, maybe just a few stretches or light movement to stay mobile. The key is consistency, not perfection. The best exercise is the one you'll stick to. Choose something you enjoy, whether it's a light dance session, yoga, or even playing with your kids or grandkids. Staying active during cancer treatment might feel tough, but even small steps can make a huge difference. Have you found creative ways to stay active during treatment? Share your tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical advice on thriving during cancer treatment.